Chester. Chester, would you like a haircut? It's your turn. It's your turn. Would you like a haircut? Chester? Yes. Okay. What a boy you are. What a good boy. Let me get my stuff. Sit tight. You are the best, I'll tell you. Little off the top. What a good boy. I know, it's your turn. It's your turn. Hold still. Hold still. Oh, you're the best. You want to be able to see, right? Oh, look at you. Look at you. Wow. That's awesome. You want to blow out too? Whoop, hold still. Is Sean distracting you? Oh, look at that face. Look at that face. You look so handsome. That's it for today, okay? We'll give you the works next week. You're dismissed. All done. It's over. We're done. Thank you very much. Okay. Have a nice day. See ya. Bye.